Start the revision of lesson number 4. We starting from the very beginning. Things are there. First, as you know about it, that is the sodium, the Na, that is 11 and 23. As you know about that, that is called as the atomic number. That is called as the mass number. That is the symbol of sodium. Everyone know about that. Okay, now we are having the how we find out the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Okay, now we are having the example about this and sodium the 11, and we find the number of electron, proton, and neutrons. As we see there, we know that the number of protons is equal to positive charge present in a nucleus. That is equal to the how much? That is the 11. Then number of electron is equal to number of protons, that becomes as the 11. Now number of neutron will be equal to the how much? Mass number minus number of protons. That is become as the 23 minus 11, that becomes as the 12. So in this way, we are able to find out the number of electron, proton, and neutron in a given element with the help of atomic number as well as the mass number. Okay, now I am giving some examples to solve the now we have the example in the Ca, the 20 and 40, oxygen 8 and 16, and we have the hydrogen 1, gas 3. That is the isotopes of hydrogen. Now we are finding the number of electron, proton, and neutron in it. Firstly, we take the calcium. What is the number of proton? Proton will be the 20. And what is the number of electron? That is become as the 20. And now the neutron, that is the mass number minus atomic number. That becomes as the 40 minus 20. That is the 20. In this way, we find out the number of electron, proton, and neutron. Now everyone find out the number of oxygens, electron, proton, neutron, as well as the 1s3. Just do first. Continue our that topic again. Okay, someone is able to find out, but someone is having some problem in it. If you have any problem in it, you can ask to me and see that things very carefully. Okay. Now we have the other example about we are having the example about the oxygen. In oxygen, we have the how many number of what is the atomic number? First, we write down the atomic number. Atomic number is equal to 8. How much? That is the 8. Then what is number of proton? Proton will be the 8. Okay. Then we are having the other one, that is the neutron. As you know, mass number minus atomic number. Mass number is 16 minus 8. That becomes as the 8. Now we are having we find out the number of electrons. We must know about that things in an atom. Plus charge is equal to the negative charge. Its meaning number of proton is equal to the number of electrons. Means electron will be the 8. In this way, we have to summarize that oxygen 816 have proton equal to 8, electron equal to 8, and neutron equal to 8. That is the proper manner to solve the such types of the examples. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, now moving for the next one. That is the 1s3. Firstly, find out the number of proton is equal to 1. That is equal to the atomic number. Then we have electron. Electron is equal to the number of protons. That is the 1. Then we have neutron. Neutron equal to the mass number minus atomic number. Okay. Now we are having 3 minus 2. That becomes as the, that is the 1. That becomes as the 2. Sometimes some students are writing like this 1 minus 3. That is the wrong method. Because when we sorted the 1 minus 3, that becomes as the minus 2. But that is not possible. So in this way, everyone able to understand how you find out number of electron, proton and neutron in a given element. Understand? Okay. Now we are just moving for the next one. What is the next one? Firstly, everyone find out number of electron, proton, neutron in that. Second, we are having oxygen 816, oxygen 817, and oxygen 818. Then we are having the third one example. That is the Cl 1735, Cl 1737. Everyone find out the number of electron, proton, neutron in the three questions are there. 1s1, 1s2, 1s3, oxygen 8016, 8017, 8018. Then we have chlorine 1735 and 1737. I hope everyone understand that topic. If you not understand, you can ask to me.